it's your boy G Marcus Winters TV, back with a brand new video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, you guys know from the title, I'll be doing an unboxing shoe review for the Yeezys 500 Enflame. Now, these shoes right here, seeing these joints or whatever, I was like, yo, I gotta get these joints. Like, I know the retail price is gonna be high. I think this is the first Yeezys for the year. I'm not too sure. Of course, as you guys know me, I am not no sneakerhead. I just get the things that I like. This one right here is like, it's kind of like an in-between. Like, I kind of like it, kind of don't like it. Like, this is gonna be one of them things where I'm gonna need you guys to vote if I should sell or if I should keep it. Or if I should keep it for a while and then just wear it. Like, what you guys think I should do with it? I'm about to do the unboxing right now. Your boy is very, very, very excited. I just came back from the post office because, of course, them mother oh my god, messed up my package, of course. Talking about, I got a notification saying, hey, left a notice, we came. And I'm just like, I run downstairs and there's no notice. Like, these motherfuckers, like, they bounce. Like, you know I was tight. Comment down below if you go through this. I go through this all the time with big packages. Damn, how you open this? Oh snap, oh snap. Yo, this is hard to open, man. How the hell you open? What the? Oh, it just fell out. Yup. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Still got the tag on them. Oh snap. Boom! Look at these joints right here. Fresh out the box. Alright. It's nothing like some brand new pair of shoes, yo. Like, yo, shout out to Fat Joe for being the dude to lick the shoes. I ain't gonna lick the shoes, but yo, shout out to Fat Joe. Like these, like, ooh, look at these. You can lick these. I ain't gonna lick it. Hell no, cause you know what I'm saying, especially with the COVID out there. But yo, but shout out to Fat Joe. I'll insert that clip just for you guys. But shout out to Fat Joe. But yo, these are brand new. That new sneaker smell. Oh snap! The tag. Look at this. The label glows in the dark. Oh, I didn't even know that. This is brand. This is new. Okay. What you guys think about them? Rate them from 1 to 10. What you guys think about these shoes? Like, I like them. They're cool. Like, look at that. 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 Whew. Of course, you know your boy. You know how I do things. I'm not in the flashiest doing the world or whatever the case is. So me, you know how I'm gonna rock these. I'm gonna rock these with like a white tee or whatever. I might rock these with some with like a blue shirt, like a nice blue designer shirt or whatever. Like designer, regular college shirt. You know how I get down or whatever. I might rock it with them, with some nice jeans, fresh, crisp jeans. Damn, but these right here, I don't know. What you guys think about these? I'm not really sold on these right here. It's not really crazy to me right now. Shout out to my connect. I got these for the low. I'm not gonna tell you the price, not gonna tell you my connect, but got these or whatever. See, these are the bottom right there. I could even wear this with this outfit with my little Adidas. Tell me what you guys think. I could wear these and they'll just pop with these Adidas I'm wearing right now. No, but I'm not really feeling these, right? I'm not really feeling these joints right here. Like, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think, if I should sell these or if I should just like hold on to them, like wear them, rock them. Like, would you rock these? Don't just tell me because they're Yeezys you'll rock it. Be honest. Keep it real now. This right here, I think I'm gonna just sell these. Like, I might wear it a little bit. I might wear it for a while, but I think I'm gonna sell them like probably triple the price. These on sale right now, the Flight Club for $275. $275 for these, and the price I paid for these, I paid less than $200 for these. Less than $200. So yeah, like I got these for the low, like I said before. And Flight Club is having it for $275. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna definitely check out StockX or whatever, make a little deal. Or if you guys are interested, hit your boy up. Hit me up on G Marcus TV on Instagram and Twitter. I'm active on both accounts. Hey, yo, if you want these, holla at me. Give me a price. Don't try to lowball me, because it's not happening. It ain't happening, Captain. Not happening. Hit me up if you guys are interested. Yeah, but these, yeah, these are not bad. They alright. They cool. Like, it's different. The thing I like about it is different. But at the same time, would it be something that I'll rock? Probably not. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you rocking these. Let me know if you got these. Let me know if you want these. Let me know what's up. Hit me up on G Marcus Winters TV on Twitter and Instagram. Your boy is always on those accounts. Hit your boy up. Definitely holla at me. You guys have a great day. It's your boy signing off.